Foodios! Today we're going to be doing my first unboxing video, the drone unboxing. Today I have my friend...
Setup.
Yeah. Today I have my friend Johnny here. He's going to be helping.
Unbox it. I was the one that actually bought this.
Yes. This is... Okay, this is $550. Okay, let's start. Where's the instructions? Pass the instructions.
Well, first of all, this is the box.
Yes.
Is it upside down?
Okay.
No, it's the wrong way.
Okay.
As you can see, it says limited edition.
Limited
Actually,
edition.
They can't see it because limited edition.
I'll read it to them.
Because it's backwards.
So,
it's backwards.
This is a Drone X8SW limited edition drone. So, let me show you some cool features. Where'd the phone part go? Okay, so as you can see, you can take your phone, put on top, you can see what your drone's filming. We might do another video where we fly it out.
Okay, this
Is the box.
that's the box.
Yeah!
First box.
Wait, I have Ant-Man
box.
and the Wasp merch. Check it out.
Okay, first box. I think this is the first box. Really? I don't really care about opening it.
Yes.
Open it, just tear it
Foodios, remember,
Just tear it
don't
open.
even care about opening it.
It's already open. Just open this.
Oh yeah. Okay, Foodios. This is a drone. As you can see.
As you can see, there's a small instruction here. Here's the receipt.
We have the receipt. The total is 107.74 cents. Okay.
Get that out of there.
We got the big boys. The big boy.
The drone, the actual drone.
This is a side view, and this is here. So this is not clickbait, it's an actual drone.
And then here's the controller. It looks kind of weird, this controller.
As you can see,
It kind of looks, it's like the black and yellow kind of looks like
it's
Batman.
Bumblebee.
No, Batman.
Oh, Batman. It's a bat hover thingy.
Oh shoot, what did I do?
Oh my gosh, he set up
No, okay, there's gotta be batteries in here.
Well,
No,
here's the
okay.
camera.
Okay, cool.
As you know, Foodios, we did not plan
Oh,
this.
look, there's a screwdriver here. Very good. I approve.
Okay.
Let's set that aside. We have this. I have no idea what this is. I approve though.
As you know, Foodios, I think this is the camera.
Oh shoot, we have the propellers here.
Oh yeah.
There's wow, there's a lot of propellers.
As you can see,
two
Foodios.
propellers.
Okay. Well, actually, yeah, those are 4.
Those are for the top of the drone.
Yeah, top and top.
And then we have. Look, it's like a charger, I think.
Okay, to charge it. Good, thank you.
And then, what in the world is this?
Comment down below what you think this is.
Well, we'll figure it out by then.
And maybe if my friend Johnny comes over, we might do a live video. We should have done that today. Maybe it's something to shave. Maybe it's something to very injure your lips.
Okay.
Who knows? Okay.
It's a mystery. All right. What's this?
So, like, is there instructions?
There better be.
Well,
What's this?
technical difficulties. What do we do?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. I think we're good now. There must be something. Let me check again if there's any.
Okay, as you can see, it's very bad lighting.
No. Nothing. No. Who the hell? Do you think?
Wait a minute,
Is this
Foodios.
really the instructions? This is not really. This is not the instructions.
Voila.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna turn on the
There
light.
gotta be instructions. All right. Let's just take everything out of the packages.
So Foodios, if we cannot find the instructions, lesson learned.
Yes, lesson definitely learned.
Huh. And maybe they're in here? Nope. Maybe in the other box. Maybe on the receipt.
I bet I could figure this out by myself.
Maybe it's a Morse code.
As you can see, I got a new phone. iPhone 8.
iPhone 8.
Not the plus version though. It's a good phone though.
Keep the case on.
Oh yeah.
Okay. As you can see, we are trying to
All
stall.
right, I think we're good now. I don't think we need the instructions.
Maybe if we can't find the drone instructions,
All right, let's just-
we can just do
Okay, let's just.
a search fire tutorial.
No. I think we're okay.
Maybe a flip book tutorial,
No.
a crab tutorial.
No. Okay. Are these Legos? They look much like Legos. Okay.
Okay,
they
technical
don't-
difficulties.
Should we just end the video and then make a new one?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Actually, yeah, let's do it.
Oh, we've done so much work.
Okay, fine.
Oh, well, we gotta find the instructions.
Maybe there's no instructions. There gotta be instructions. This would be not very good.
Maybe
One, two.
I'll edit it out.
Yeah, I did that out.
Hello, Foodios. We might, since it's Foodio's kitchen, we might bake this pig. Anyone want a junior bacon cheeseburger? Jack in Box, please sponsor me. Okay. Technical difficulties. Blarg. Oh, I just found the instructions.
Oh my god. Wow. None instructions.
Well, Foodios, comment down below if you think these are the
Those are not
instructions.
the instructions. Oh! Look what I just found.
Oh my god.
It's instructions. God.
Foodio's lesson learned.
We'll edit that out.
No, we actually won't because we want to make it a family comedy. Okay.
Okay, first, let's go to the front.
8 minutes of looking for 8 minutes of looking for
Instructions.
instructions.
All right, let's see here.
As you can see, we have a Hampton Bay controller. Sponsor me, Hampton Bay. Yo, Google. Hey, Google. What do you think about this YouTube mistake that we are into right now?
I don't know how to help with that.
She does not know how to help with that, but it's okay because Google is awesome because it created YouTube. Okay. Still, comment down below what you think this is.
Media. YouTube is an American video sharing website headquartered in San Bruno, California. The
There you
service
go.
was created by 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Kareem, in February 2005.
There you go. You learn something new every day, Foodios. Remember that. As you can see, my friend Johnny is very creeped out.
Okay, these are very good instructions.
Well, let's read them.
9. Oh, God.
Okay.
No.
Disclaimer. Read this disclaimer and instructions
Let's put
thoroughly
all
before
this-
operating this device. The use of this product is a sign of your compliance. With the disclaimer, you are responsible for our other actions, behaviors, and conduct. This product is not suitable for anyone under the age of 14. We are 10. Oh well.
Wait, what? Wait, what did it say?
This product is not suitable for
Oh God.
anyone under the age of 14.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to make it. We're only 10.
Should we wait 4 years and just film this video in 4 years in 2022? Okay, follow community-based safety guidelines as developed by organizations such as the Academy of Model Ergonauts, AMA. Flight no higher than 400 feet
Are you joking?
and remain below and surrounding obstacles when possible. Keep your Suez in eyesight.
I need this now.
I was reading the disclaimer.
Okay.
Okay, we got something else to read.
Wait.
Warning, changes of
What the heck?
modifications to this
All
unit
right.
not expressly approved by the party. Responsible for
I
compliance.
found something.
He found something. Found something every day. As you can see, this is my reading voice. This is my talking voice. Okay, class. What's 1 plus 1? 50. We got an answer over here. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. What's 1 plus 1?
The answer is 2.
This
I
boy
guess I'm
says
right.
this boy says it's 50. She says it's 2. Who do you think
52.
Who do you think is right? 50? 52? Or 2? Comment
Okay.
down below. Johnny's other answer, or hey Google. Hey Google, please sponsor me because I am using your product. But please, I am so sorry that I have.
Okay, what is? Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't understand.
She doesn't understand. So how do you think the answer is? 1 plus 1 is maybe 2. Okay.
Wait, I found something.
He found something again. You found something every day. You find something, you found something, you go up to space, you find Season 5 Battle
Fortnite.
Pass.
Okay, we're getting there.
Fortnite is now available on Nintendo Switch. Please check it out on a Nintendo eShop.
Is this just me or am I doing all the work?
You gotta be kidding me. I've been doing all the work. You've just been sitting here talking to the people. Wait, that's me. Okay, let's do some work. So, we're putting the lever thingies that
Okay.
on the drone. I know it's been 13 minutes, but you see, I've got lots of
If
videos.
this drone breaks if this drone breaks when I fly it, I'm gonna be so mad.
Okay, we'll
And
do
it
a
will probably happen.
We'll do a reacting video and maybe I'll put it in the description down below. But please like and subscribe and turn on notifications.
What does that do?
Comment down below to tell Johnny what that does. And please don't do any rude comments discarding what he just said. Okay, so comment down below so we can go back to school because it's the summer, so maybe in a couple months he can, learn what
Okay, I got
subscribing
it
and
on.
turning notifications
I got
is.
it.
He got it on.
See, it says if you can't see right
It says
there,
Fortnite?
it says 14 plus.
14
I'm only 10 years old.
I'm sorry, officers.
I'm only 9 years old.
What is this little thing? Okay,
Okay,
so-
let's just actually do the work.
excuse me, officers, but we are 10 and we are super sorry. But we have to make this video. I'm super sorry. Please check out Ant-Man and the Wasp at Marvel Studios. Actually, that's not an amusement park. That's Universal Studios. So, at Disneyland. As you can see,
No, don't burn them.
there's not even a battery.
There's no battery.
I'm sorry. Okay, what should your stage name be, Johnny?
Don't know.
Johnny Boy Saves the World?
Johnny Boy 858.
Johnny Boy 858? That's his Fortnite name. He's a little under the weather, so he's going Fortnite cuckoo.
Okay, I'm trying to continue.
Okay.
As you can see here, this guy's never helping.
Okay, let's get to work. So first, you gotta take out your orange screwdriver with the metal thingy. Okay,
Okay,
so what do we do now? Let me show the people what you're doing. So this is the workspace so far. So we got it over here. So Johnny's put.
oh, thank the gods.
There's only one God. Oh,
And
okay.
that's me.
Okay, please ignore the clutter on the back. As you can see, I don't clean my room that much, but I'll make it a habit.
You gotta be joking.
As you can see, we're 10 years old and we can't be joking.
Oh, no way.
No way indeed.
Oh, okay, well, that's easy.
It is indeed. Indeed. Okay, now he or me or we are putting the propellers on.
But these
So
instructions don't
propeller,
work at it.
A propeller, B propeller, B propeller, A propeller. Yay. 17 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, NBC, sponsor me. That rhymes. I should be a poet and I don't even know it. I should be a poet and I don't even know it. Okay, ignore my annoyingness, but let's get back to the work.
Or my work.
Yes. Okay. Grab the Nerf gun to keep it stable.
Oh my god. This is definitely for 14 and up.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Time lapse. Ding 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 ding.
Should we ask your dad for help?
Sure. Okay, Foodios, I'm gonna make a part 2.